Aptos Wallet is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency wallet designed for seamless, secure, and efficient digital asset management. The platform is built with a focus on providing users with a smooth interface and robust security, ensuring both beginners and advanced crypto enthusiasts can comfortably manage their portfolios. Aptos Wallet supports a range of cryptocurrencies, making it an excellent choice for those who want an all-in-one solution for their digital assets. The wallet boasts advanced security features such as private key encryption and multi-factor authentication, giving users peace of mind that their assets are safe. Its intuitive dashboard allows for quick and easy navigation, enabling users to send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies without any hassle. Additionally, Aptos Wallet integrates with major blockchain networks, ensuring that users have access to real-time transactions and updates. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another standout feature of Aptos Wallet is its ability to connect with decentralized applications, dApps, making it a versatile tool for exploring the broader blockchain ecosystem. Whether you're staking tokens, engaging in DeFi protocols, or simply holding assets, Aptos Wallet has you covered. Users can also customize their settings to enhance their experience, from adjusting transaction fees to choosing their preferred blockchain network. The wallet also includes a comprehensive transaction history, ensuring the users can track their activity with full transparency. Aptos Wallet is more than just a storage solution. It's a gateway to the evolving world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Stay ahead of the curve and manage your digital assets like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like for more insightful content on crypto wallets and blockchain tools.